The base 16 number system. We use the same approach to represent numbers and operations in the base 16 number system, otherwise known as the hexadecimal system. In this system there are 16 digits in total. In the decimal system there are only 10 digits, so we complete the rest of digits in the hexadecimal system using letters of the alphabet. Thus, in addition to the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we use A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14 and F for 15. Everything else is same as the decimal and binary system. The hexadecimal number system is widely used in computers and programming, hence we are explaining it here. For example, the number AC923 has the value shown in the following on screen. We will now explain addition and subtraction in the hexadecimal number system through an example. Example: find the value of operations in the hexadecimal number system and prove the accuracy of the solutions made. A. F95 plus DA, B. 38C minus 1BE. Solution: A. We have the following shown on screen. Let's clarify the operations made. Thus, 5 plus A equals 5 plus 10 is equal to 15, which corresponds to the letter F. Then, 9 plus D equals 9 plus 13 is equal to 22, so we write 6 and carry 1 16, 1 unit therefore, to the next position on the right. Then we have 1 plus F equals 1 plus 15 is equal to 16, which we write as 10 in the hexadecimal system. Proof: F95 equals 15 16 to the power of 2 plus 9 times 16 to the power of 1 plus 5 times 16 to the power of 0 is equal to 15 times 256 plus 9 times 16 plus 5 times 1 is equal to 3840 plus 144 plus 5 is equal to 3989. And dA equals 13 times 16 to the power of 1 plus 10 times 16 to the power of 0 is equal to 208, plus 10 is equal to 218. Hence, 3989 plus 218 is equal to 4207. On the other hand, 106F equals 1 times 16 to the power of 3 plus 0 times 16 to the power of 2 plus 6 times 16 to the power of 1 plus 15. Times 16 to the power of 0 is equal to 4096 plus 96 plus 15 is equal to 4207. Hence, the two results obtained through different methods of calculations match. B. We have the following shown on screen. Explanation: C equals 12 and E equals 14, so C minus E is not possible as operation. Therefore we have to borrow 116 from the next position on the right. Hence, we have 16 plus 12 is equal to 28 minus E equals E, because E equals 14. The number 8 becomes 7 as 1/16 was borrowed to units. Since 7 minus B is not possible, we borrow 116 from the next position, so we have 16 plus 7. Minus B equals 23 minus 11 is equal to 12, which corresponds to the letter C in the hexadecimal system. The number 3 became 2 as 1 unit was borrowed to 7. So, we have 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. The difference therefore is 1 CE. Proof: 38C equals 3 times 16 to the power of 2 plus 8 times 16 to the power of 1 plus 12 times 16 to the power of 0 is equal to 256 plus 8 times 16 plus 12 times 1 is equal to 768 plus 128 plus 12 is equal to 908, and 1b equals 1 times 16 to the power of 2 plus 11 times 16 to the power of 1 plus 14 times 16 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 times 256 plus 11 times 16 plus 14 times 1 is equal to 256 plus 176 plus 14 is equal to 446. Hence, 908 minus 446 is equal to 462. On the other hand, 1 CE equals 1 times 16 to the power of 2 plus 12 times 16 to the power of 1 plus 14 times 16 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 times 256 plus 12 times 16 plus 14 times 1 is equal to 256 plus 1. 192 plus 14 is equal to 462. Hence, the two results obtained through different methods of calculations do match, and we have proved the accuracy of our calculations. Multiplications and divisions in the hexadecimal system are completed in the same way as we explained in the other numbering systems. However, we will not deal with them here because of their complexity in calculations, and it is unlikely that you will need to calculate these manually. That is all for lesson 1.7.5 and the end of chapter 1. To continue this mathematics topic, please watch 2 approximations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.